This is everything a rideshare driver needs in their car. I got this. It was $49 from Square, and it allows me to process credit cards. I've never used it, but I have it. I've always brought it with me. I have it in the car. And this, the rideshare driver recommended this also, and this is free. And it plugs into a phone unless you got like above an iPhone 7, it doesn't plug into the phone. And these things are the coolest things that I got. I like these the best. They are Soundcore Anker earbuds. And I put one in my left ear, and that brings all the Bluetooth from my phone to my ear. All the audio from my phone to my ear. And I wear this in the ear that's closest to the window. And the other ear I use to listen to the passenger with. And like when I get alerts and stuff on the phone that there's traffic ahead or whatever, they're good for that. And this is a wireless hotspot. I got this from AT&T, I think in 2018. And what it does is it lights up the whole car with Wi-Fi. Passengers love it. When I would pick people up from the airport and take them to their hotel, they could knock out a couple or a few emails on the way. They would love it. And these are Wonder Wafers. I put one of these in the cup holder next to the shotgun seat and behind the rear seat under the hatchback in my car. And they smell really good, and passengers love to smell things that smell good. Now these, every Uber driver needs a good pair of shades because it gets sunny out there. These particular ones I got in 2018. I picked up this dude from someplace in Pinellas County and from some hotel or some charter boat or something, and I took him to Clearwater Beach. And when he was a really nice guy, and when he got out of the car, he left these in there, and I did not know until the next day or until that night. So I didn't know anything about him but his first name. I would have brought him back to him, but anyway, I was gonna sell them on eBay. I looked them up on eBay, and they were like $120 a piece. They were like Jetty sunglasses or something. I was like, dang, those are kind of nice. So I tried them on, and I kind of liked them. So I cleaned them with alcohol and then put them on and kept them, and I've had them ever since. They're Jetty sunglasses. They're very important. I wear them all the time. Now this thing is really cool. It extends, and I use it all the time so that I don't have to like reach over the seat. Like I can just extend this, and then I just need to bring something closer to me, like if I'm at a stoplight or something. It's very handy. And I would say the handiest thing that a rideshare driver has, I got these from the $1.25 tree. It used to be the Dollar Tree, but they're awesome. I use them for everything. Sometimes you need like a flathead screwdriver, and you can use the blades for that. And they're very handy. And the other thing that I get, I don't have it here, I'll link it up in the description below, is two-sided Velcro. It's like mandatory. Just get a whole bunch of it and just keep it. And just use these scissors and snip it off whenever you need it. It's very handy. I use it all the time.